Good morning. So for today's adventure, we've decided to go on a little bit of a different type of excursion. We are heading north of Phuket off of the island about 85 kilometers, and we're going to a beautiful scenic overlook over the Phang Bay. So it should be very exciting, very beautiful. This is the first time I've ever taken the motorbike off the island, and we should be rewarded with some spectacular views of the famous or infamous Phang Bay. All right, let's go check it out. After driving as fast as possible to both get off the island and avoid traffic, we finally made it to the back country roads that would lead us to the coast. There's no way the buses or vans come through here. Following some twists and turns, including rutted out and pothole-filled roads, we arrived in the quaint coastal town of Ban Hinrom, just at the bottom of the scenic Andaman Sea Mountains. Here we stopped to stretch our legs and enjoy the view before heading to our campsite. Arriving at the campsite, after a grueling uphill ride, we were treated to one of the most amazing views of the Phang Bay. After settling in, we took a ride around to see the local communities along the pristine waterfront. We were surely the only tourists seen here in quite some time. So our trip down here has turned out pretty much better than expected. It's beautiful, backcountry roads, no people, small little towns, and stunning backdrops. Well worth the trip. Heading back to our campsite, others had arrived, filling our otherwise tranquil evening with sounds of dinnertime revelry, acoustic guitar, and later some drunken camaraderie. Hey. Are you cold?
Yeah,
Why?
I eat spicy food.
Falling asleep at last, we awoke at 5:30 for the spectacular sunrise views from our overlook. Outside of the late night partiers, the entire campsite awoke before dawn to see the thing we all came here to witness: sunrise over the Andaman Sea Mountains. Unfortunately, sunrise was a little lackluster, mostly overcast and accompanied by frequent storms, yet still provided one of the most tranquil landscapes for an epic sunrise over southern Thailand. Capturing the sunrise with numerous time lapses, it was time to head home before the rain set in and caught up with us on the way. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you loved viewing it as much as we loved making it. Please subscribe to our channel to keep our adventures going. It's a simple and easy way for you to support these videos. Also, check out our Patreon page, where you can join the Eastbound and Up Gang by becoming a one-time or monthly sponsor of our videos. Thanks again, and see you in our next adventure.